So y'all, this is the project I'm working on right now. See how bad my garden looks? See all of that? We have had over 2 weeks of rain every single day, and it has just decimated my little garden here. So the project I'm working on right now, just to let y'all know, let y'all in on my life here, is I put all these bricks up here yesterday. I built my little greenhouse. I don't know if I showed you that, but I built my little greenhouse in the rain maybe a week and a half ago, and I'm gonna build a little, just a small storage shed right here, and I've already went ahead and put the base down and leveled that all off. But the next thing I'm gonna do is fill this up with pine bark mulch. So that's what I'm doing now. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm tired of mowing around all my little garden beds, my little vegetable garden bed. I'm tired of mowing around that stuff. I'm getting too old for it. So I'm not mowing around it anymore. So this is my project for today. I showed you my garden and all of that pine bark. I am going to be carrying it or in my wheelbarrow back to the backyard, and that should take me a minute, but I got to get it done before Coop comes home, because he'll be mad about me blocking the driveway. The things I do, the trouble I get into. I wanted to show y'all the progress of all of my mulch, dragging mulch from the driveway all the way back here. Now I haven't taken out those zinnias yet because the pollinators are still, they are gone, they're really done, but the pollinators are still, they're still using them, so I just don't have the heart to pull that out no matter how bad it looks. It looks like somebody's dog's breakfast or something. I don't know, it does look bad, but I'm not gonna pull it out just yet. There's too many bees, butterflies, and I have a lot of goldfinches that like the zinnia seeds, so I'm not pulling that out just yet. But I wanted to show you progress. I also built that cute little shed with my hubby's help, but mostly he did the tall stuff because I'm too short. I transplanted this butterfly bush 2 days ago. It's looking a little rough. It was in that pot, but it was not happy in that pot. So it's got a little shock going on. It's a little sad, but I'm hoping it'll get happier. But yeah, I got a lot of work to do. I've still got to caulk my greenhouse, and I have got a potting bench I'm going to build. I also put a little place for me to sit back there while I work. So yeah, it's coming along. Let me see if I can do a shot like from far away so you can see better. I don't know. Here we go. We'll just pan. Now don't look at my mess. I'm still working on it, but it is doing better. I'm about to plant some of my fall veggies, so I am looking forward to that. But yep, that's what I have built. I'm gonna have flowers, not flowers, but more shade things here in this bed, but I'm just gonna do it a little bit, just develop it a little bit at a time. So I've got all of my pine bark done. I've cleaned up my garden, and I'm getting ready to plant my fall garden. And I put some blueberries back there. You can barely see them, but I got some blueberry bushes there. I got my greenhouse built, my little garden tool shed built, little patio built for me. I'm working on this flower bed, and I still have some extra stuff over here that I'm gonna make some more flower beds with. So there we go.